Hello friends, my name is Vivek Yamgar from class 9. Today we will discuss about subject computer of class 9 chapter 2 data entry and keyboarding skills. In order to enhance operational skills in the use of computers, knowledge of efficient and effective keyboarding skills as typing ergonomics has become inevitable today. With constant sincere efforts and controlled environment, we can master keyboarding skills, acquire high speed, keying data into the computer quickly and accurately, thus become easy. Keyboarding skills. Keyboard is the most text-based input device. Computer keyboards are similar to the electronic typewriter keyboards with additional keys. A keyboard generally has more than 100 keys. Each key of keyboard corresponds to a single symbols. Some symbols require pressing and holding several keys simultaneously or in a sequence. It allows entering alphabets, digits, and symbols into the computer. Types of keys. There are various types of keys. We will discuss about alphanumeric keys. All of the alphabet A to Z and number 0 to 9 on the keyboard. Punctuation keys. All the keys associated with the punctuation such as the comma, period, semicolon, brackets and parentheses and so on. Also all the mathematical operators such as plus sign and minus sign and the equal to sign. Then we will discuss about alt key. Short for alternate. This key is like a second control key. Next is arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys to move the cursor or intersection. The cursor can be moved in different directions. It can be moved left or right, up and down. Next is shift key. To move the cursor in the more than one position at a time. Next is backspace key. Pressing these keys erases on the left side of cursor. For example, to correct the spelling of computer to computer, take the cursor after which letter you want to delete. Here after O. Now press the backspace key to erase O and then type E in its place. This way you can correct the spelling of computer to computer. Next is control key. The control key is used with the conjunction with other keys to produce control characters. The meaning of each control characters depend on which program is running. Caps lock key. It is a toggle key which when we activate it causes all alphabetic characters to be in uppercase. Next is enter key. It is used to enter commands to move the cursor to the beginning of the next line. Next is escape key. The escape key is used to send special codes to devices and to exit from programs and tasks. Next is function keys. Special key is labeled F1 to F11. These keys have different meanings depending which program is running. Next is delete key. The delete key is pressing this key erases any type text on the right side of cursor. For example, you typed computer instead of computer. You need to correct the spelling. Take the cursor just before the O and press the delete key and type E in its place. In this way, you can correct the typing mistake. Next is numeric keypad. Numeric keypad used when the enormous numeric data is to be entered. This type of keypad is just like a simple calculator. It is normally located on the right hand side of computer keyboard. It contains number 0 to 9 and addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Symbols a decimal point. Numlock and enter keys. Numeric keys may also work on the dual mode. One on it represents the numbers and other mode it contains various like arrow keys, page up and down, etc. Numlock is provided to switch between two modes. Usually some of the keyboards of laptops do not have numeric keypad. Next is home keys. Alphabets A, S, D, F are home keys for the left hand semicolon LKJ for the right hand. Next is guide keys. On a computer keyboard, keys F and J are called guide keys for the left hand respectively. Typing capital letters. To type capital letters, switch on the caps lock by pressing the key before typing. Next is typing symbols. Press and hold the keys, then press the keys with a required symbol. There are two shift keys on the keyboard, on the bottom left and the right of the letters. Typing sentences. To get spaces between typed word, press the space bar once and then type next word. Next we will discuss about successful keyboarding tips. The following points may be kept in mind for successful keyboarding techniques. Press the keys with a feather touch and do not put under pressure. Reset your fingers on home row while typing. Do not look at the keyboard while practicing. Press the keys with equal intervals of times in a rhythm. Press the keys only with the fingers allotted for them. Maintain a balance between speed and accuracy as both are equal important. Do not sacrifice your accuracy for speed. Do not take any mental stress while typing. Next is pointing devices. Instead of typing directly, some items can be selected from computer screen. For example, print or close button. This can be done using point and draw devices such as mouse. Not only to select but drawing of line and curve shapes is also possible with such devices. Other example of point and draw devices are joystick, light pia, touchpad or trackball and touchscreen. Next is mouse. Mouse is a pointing device used to point a particular place on a screen and select to perform one or more actions. It can be used to select menu commands, resize windows, selecting actions from screen icons, etc. A mouse primarily comprises of three parts: the buttons, the handling area and the rolling object. By default, the mouse is configured to work for the right hand. The left-handed person can change their settings as per the needs. Using typing software. There are many softwares available which are free of cost and customized to learn typing efficiently and effectively. Introduction to Rapid Typing Tutor. Rapid Typing Tutor is a free and open source software designed to learn typing skills on the computer. It is free use to share with others for free but only by using the original distribution package. Learning to the typing in the fun with typing game included with Rapid Typing Tutor. Thank you.